Today we're here at Safari Anakio, Tamahiri side for our Cultural Study Day, and we have staff who are attending from each of our 6 sites, and it's very exciting to see everybody here.
The embedding of the cultural values within the organisation are absolutely integral. That's what we're here in this wānanga, is teaching what is the culture and how we are doing that. And today actually reflects how we are doing that.
It's been beautiful to be with Sound Care Group all day today because the staff of Sound Care are from countries all over the world. And so we have been teaching about the treaty in every language today, and that's been so fantastic for us.
The highlight of the cultural workshop for me is getting to know more and understanding the Maori culture. Through this kind of workshop, I get to meet all the people from different facilities of Sound Care Group, and it was fun. I enjoy it.
The whole day is about a new experience for me, and I'm so proud to be part of Sound Care Group.
Sound Care Group!